If you're spending 30 minutes to write a single email, I'm going to show you a better way to write a professional email faster. Most entrepreneurs spend most of their mornings writing emails, proposals, and responding to them. All this manually. It's frustrating, right? Especially in the wake of AI. You see, this is ChatGPT. It's free, by the way. I've not signed up for anything here. It's completely free. So the first prompt I'm going to just do is here. Write a professional follow-up email to a client named John about a branding proposal I sent 5 days ago. Keep it short, confident, and a clear next step. So I'm just going to copy this one, and then I'll go to my where is it? I'm going to just go to ChatGPT, and then I'll paste it over here. So it's over there, you see, chatgpt.com. I know you can use it in your phones. You don't have any issues with this one already. Just prompt it and then see what it's going to bring for you. So give it a few minutes and then just see how it works. This scenario works both when you're composing an email or you want to reply. You got an email from a client and you want to respond to it. Write a professional follow-up email to a client named John about a branding proposal I sent 5 days ago. Keep it short, confident, and with a clear next step. So you need to know exactly what's in the mind of this client. So in a scenario whereby you got a client, you sent them an email, they never responded to you, we've already prompted it over here. Just ChatGPT is free. Yes, there is premium packages, but a free one is good for you. You don't need to subscribe to anything. I'm just going to be showing you free stuff over here, and I'm not keeping anything. Here is a concise. You see, it's already typing for you. So you can see quick follow-up. You see, here's the concise. So you see, within few seconds, I literally typed it, and then it gave me a feedback. Quick follow-up on branding proposal. Hi John, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to follow up on the branding proposal I shared last week and see if you've had a chance to review it. I'm confident the direction aligns with your goals, and I'd be happy to talk you through any part of it, make adjustment based on your feedback. Would you be available for quick 15 minutes call this week to discuss next steps? So you can see everything is just within a very short period of time, seconds literally, yeah? So this is ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy this prompt over here, and then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. So I've just pasted, you see, quick follow-up branding proposal. Hi John, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to follow up on the branding proposal I shared a few days ago. I'm confident the direction we outlined will strongly position your brand and deliver the impact we discussed. Please let me know if you had a chance to review it or there are any other questions I can clarify. If it works for you, I'd be happy to jump on a quick call this week to walk through the next steps and get things moving. Looking forward to your thoughts. So you see, it's already composed for you a professional email. I don't know how long it would have taken you to write this short, precise, direct, mail with clear call to actions that you would like the client to actually take you through, and then you can be able to just see. It's very, very nice. Writing a proposal, like a reply like this, comes within very few seconds from ChatGPT. Within few seconds, you're able to compose your email and send to your client in a very professional manner. You didn't spend 30 minutes, you actually saved a lot of time to do other things. I post daily content on AI tips for entrepreneurs. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, follow for more.